In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a bicep curl into a shoulder press. Now there's two different variations of this movement, and we're going to do one which involves supination, and I'll come back to that a little bit later. So the reason I've got supination in the title of this video is because we are doing that at the midway point of this exercise. Now firstly, a combination exercise is where we put two individual exercises together to make one fluid movement. And in this case, we're putting together the bicep curl and the shoulder press. So firstly, what I want you to do is stand feet hip width apart. I want you to be in a position where when you start, you've got your elbows locked into your sides, but your shoulders aren't rounded forwards. Your shoulders are back, you're ready to go for your first repetition. And once you're in that position, core braced and glutes squeezed as you come up into your bicep curl. Once you've done the bicep curl, you're going to come into supination. This means my hands, especially my palms, are currently facing towards my body. Now they're going to face away from my body, they're going to supinate as I now come up into my shoulder press, and as I come down, my palms come back to face myself, and then I come down again and I'm ready to start my bicep curl. So bicep curl, palms rotate, and now shoulder press, and as you come down, the palms then begin to face you. So I've almost got a rotation of the weight going on at that midway point, and when I bring the weight down, I'm rotating back to the position I was in to begin with. So let's go through that one more time. Feet hip width apart, elbows to the sides of the body, make sure the shoulders aren't rounded. From here, brace the core and glutes, you come up into your bicep curl, do your supination where you bring the palms away from the body. You bring the weights up, you don't have to touch them at the top, and when you come with your elbow in line with the shoulder or just slightly below, that's then your cue to come back to your start position. Each time you do the bicep curl and shoulder press, that is one repetition, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and reps.